Jet here to show you how to use the GoTo Network Test Tool with the GoTo desktop app. This provides a real-time view of your network. If you have audio issues such as choppy or delayed sound, this test can help pinpoint the problem. The GoTo Network Test allows you to check your network performance with GoTo Connect, either directly from the desktop app or through manual installation. This video shows how to use the tool within the GoTo desktop app. For instructions on downloading, installing, and running the standalone version, see the link in the video description. For best results, install the GoTo Network Test on a computer connected to your desktop phone, usually via a wired connection. If you use the GoTo Connect softphone, connect to the same Wi-Fi as your desktop phone. View a link in the description to learn more about downloading and installing the GoTo desktop and mobile apps. I've already signed in as the user Lance Bingham, and this is the home screen. Take note of the left navigation menu. You may see different icons here depending on what options are available with your GoTo plan. In the very top of your app, on the left side, click the Help text. Hover over Troubleshooting. Then select Start Network Test. The test will begin running in a new window in your default internet browser. In my case, it is opened in a new Chrome window. The test checks several things, and it may take some time to complete. As you scroll down the page, you can see the different metrics, like packet loss and latency, that the test checks. You can also read about what each term means and see what the recommended values are for each test category. At the very bottom, you'll find the passphrase and system code. Your system admin may request this information to set up a network test probe on your computer. We're on the GoTo Connect tab, but this test also checks other GoTo products, even without licenses. The tool analyzes your system to ensure it meets the requirements for all supported programs. You can click each tab to see what the test checks for that section. If call quality issues persist, contact your internet provider and share your test results, including packet loss and jitter. That's all there is to running the GoTo Network Test Tool from the GoTo desktop app. View the link in the description for additional resources. Thank you for watching the video. I've included links to additional videos about GoTo's products and features. Be sure to subscribe to our channel.